Hello guys, with you here again. It's me, it's your guy Francis, and now I'm going to take you through Microsoft Word. Yes, before I start, remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share these videos. Now I'm going to how to create a Microsoft Word document. First of all, you right click on an empty space from your desktop, right click, then new folder, then you give your folder a name like let's say like exercise. This is exercise. Then you enter. Since there is another folder like that, you can replace that with another one. Yes, now we continue. In that folder, you open the folder exercise, then right click on an empty space again, open, new, this time is not new folder, this time is Microsoft Word document. Then you can rename it like to practice 1 doc. Then you enter. Ensure that you open the document so that you can start the Microsoft Word tutorial. Now, as it is opening, let me share with you this screen. Seems that it is not visible very well. Let us zoom it for visibility purposes. Yes. Hope it is clear to everyone there. We are going to start with Microsoft Word terminologies. We have so very many terminologies in Microsoft Word, but today we are going to go through a few of them. That is some few like clip art, and I'm going to show you the clip art itself. Now let us start. These are the Microsoft Word terminology. With the first one here, which is alignment. And alignment refers to the position of lines in a paragraph in relation to the document left and right margins. As you can see in this this document here, which has been given some border. You have this text here, which has been aligned to the left hand side to your left hand side. You have this one which has been aligned to the center, and you have another one which have been aligned to the right hand side. This is alignment. So this means that we have three types of alignment. We have the left alignment, we have the centered, we have the right aligned, and also we have another one which is called the justified. So we can go back to our Microsoft document. I can show you where all these alignments are. As you can see here on top, you have this one here. At this point, you can let's type something here on the screen. You can say like you can give this as this word like let's say like Kenya. You can align this word Kenya in the first, this one here, which is aligned text to the left, which already the text is aligned to the left hand side. You can also align this to the center. This is what we call the center alignment. You can also use the Control E, the shortcut keys, that is the control plus E for to center that word. We have this other word here, which is this other alignment, which is the aligned to the right. This will push that Kenya word to the farthest end to your right of this paper. And you have this, the first one, which is justified, which is just this text will go exactly to the beginning of the paper. Yeah, as you can see, the word is going back to the beginning. Yes, you can go back to our document, and you can see we have the backspace. These are the Microsoft Word terminologies. The backspace, which is used to delete data to the left of the insertion position. Yeah, you can try this in the Word document. You can type something here like let's enter. I can type just some words here. You can just type anything. You can type anything. Then when you press the backspace, as you can see, it is deleting the text to the left hand side of your Word document. That is what we call the backspace. Let's go back to our document again. See some other Microsoft Word terminologies. We have the bold, the bullets, the centering, all about the terminology, the clipart, the close, the copy, cut, default, document, font. We have even others here. We have others like let me go to the next page. We have others here like document, font. We have the font formatting features, line spacing, margin paragraph, indentation, insertion position, italics. All these are Microsoft Word terminologies. Now, you can practice on that, and you can type like one simple sentence here. Let's say you can type Kenya is one of the best countries in the world. Yeah, that's one sentence here. Now we can look at all those Microsoft Word terminologies. We have this the bold. This first you have to highlight the word that you want it to become in bold. Let's bold this Kenya. Make it bold. As you can see, some changes in that word. The word Kenya has been turned to bold. You can underline this heading Kenya. You can underline this one. Underline it. Yeah. All these things are the Microsoft Word terminologies. Okay. You can go to the next page if there is another page. No, not there. We have that is the end of the tutorial. You can consider subscribing for more. Yeah, and I'm going to give you more and more content in my YouTube channel. Consider subscribing, and kindly guys subscribe to my channel. Yes, thank you very much.